Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Blue Mountain Beach, Florida, is a charming coastal community located along Scenic Highway 30A in South Walton County. Despite its name, the area isn't mountainous, rather, it boasts some of the highest dunes along Florida's Gulf Coast, reaching elevations up to 65 feet. The name Blue Mountain is believed to have originated from early sailors who, upon seeing the tall dunes covered in native blue lupin flowers, mistook them for mountains. Established in the early 20th century, Blue Mountain Beach has maintained its laid-back atmosphere and natural beauty. The community is nestled between Draper Lake to the east and Big Redfish Lake to the west, both rare coastal dune lakes that offer unique ecosystems for kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore the Timpucci Trail, a 19-mile paved path that runs parallel to Highway 30A, ideal for biking and walking. Additionally, the nearby Point Washington State Forest provides hiking trails through diverse ecosystems, including cypress swamps and pine forests. Blue Mountain Beach seamlessly blends its rich history with modern amenities, offering a serene and inviting destination along Florida's Emerald Coast.
Thanks for watching!